Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make bean tin smoke grenades that are 4 paraffin wax candles. Then we're going to need some icing sugar. Our main base that we're going to use for this thing. The other thing you're going to need for this is a bunch of electric matches. If you need a tutorial for these, I can probably make a tutorial, but it's really quite simple. You take apart a hairdryer, you get some nickel chromium alloy wire, you run it over the top of a match, and you attach it with 2 wires. Because this is a smoke grenade recipe and not a recipe for rocket fuel, we're going to be using closer to a 50-50 ratio of fuel to oxidizer. In regards to cost, these aren't very expensive to produce. These electric matches only cost probably less than $1. It works to put the oxidizer in last, just so you don't risk accidental pre-ignition while you're cooking it. 5 kilogram container of potassium nitrate will $55. I like to go ahead and fill the tin up probably like a quarter of a way to the half a way of potassium nitrate, and we're going to go ahead and put this oxidizer into the fuel. And if you want, you can put a catalyst like iron oxide to make it even better. Let's go ahead and put a little bit of extra of that stuff. Oh, there we go. Our little tin here, before it sets preferably. You can sort of see the wax still in there because it's glistening. Okay, we can go ahead and take an electric match that we've got here, and we can just go ahead and stick the electric match right in the middle like this. Feed the little wires to this top hole here, and then you can just run it out the side, and while it's still wet and hasn't set yet, you can just push the lid in. Right, so here I have a couple of sample tests on. There we go. We've got a little flare, and then this is what the main thing looks like. Whoa, look at that. Man, it makes a little tornado of fire right there. Right, to ignite the smoke grenade, you're just going to need this guy right here. His name is Bob, and he's very good at igniting things. Okay, we take the key and we use it to activate the smoke grenade. Whoa, look at that. A little bit of minor spillage. But besides that, it's pretty good. As you can see, so long as we don't like tape the lid down or anything, when it goes off, it'll just blow the lid right off. And you won't have to worry about problems like that. And as you can see, we used up the electric match. It's still sort of intact. You could probably reuse this electric match actually. The nitro wire is still there, because it the lid got sort of popped off when it went off. You got a reusable match. But you'd only ever reuse it probably if you were like really hard up for electric matches. I probably should have put this on like a nice little metal tray or something so it didn't burn the lawn. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Toodaloo.